guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today I'm going to be making a very special Orange Dream Instant Pot Oatmeal. But do not worry, because if you do not have an Instant Pot, pots and pans will work just as well. We're going to get started on this recipe. All we're going to need is a few ingredients. We're going to need 1 cup of orange juice, 2 cups of water, 1 cup of steel-cut oats, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then either 1 whole orange or 4 of these small peelable tangerines. Now, we're gonna take those and chop them up, and we're gonna get this Instant Pot loaded up, but I'm gonna bring you guys in here and we're gonna get started. All right, first thing we're gonna do is take our oranges, or our orange or our 4 tangerines, and I just am gonna cut them in half, and then we are going to peel and then cube them into about 1/4-inch sections. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. All right, we've got our orange pieces all ready. Now I'm going to bring the Instant Pot over here and we're going to get it loaded up. All right, to get started, we're just going to put all of our ingredients in. We've got 2 cups of water, 1 cup of orange juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We've got our steel-cut oats, and then we have the oranges that we just cut up. So we're gonna put that all in there, and I like to give it a good stir. There we go. Now we are going to go ahead and set that to the pressure cook setting, which is on the high pressure for 25 minutes, and then we're gonna let that naturally release, and I will see you when that is done. All right, the Instant Pot naturally released. It took about 23 minutes in my kitchen. I'm gonna open it up and see how it looks. Oh, that smells absolutely fantastic. Now, just like with my polenta and other Instant Pot oatmeal recipes, you're gonna wanna make sure to go in and just give it a good stir. But it is looking and smelling absolutely fantastic. I'm gonna get a dish of it bowled up, I'm gonna get the kitchen cleaned up, and I will see you guys in just a second. All right, guys, I got the kitchen all tidied up. It smells absolutely wonderful in here. I'm gonna go ahead and give this Orange Dream Instant Pot Oatmeal a try. Absolutely fantastic. You got the real rich, deep flavor of the orange, a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of acidity from it. It all gets pulled together with the oats, the vanilla extract, and I really love this recipe. I've made this for a ton of people, and nobody has not liked it yet. And if you guys go ahead and give it a try, let me know how you like it. Let me know in the comment section below, or on YouTube, or on Facebook at The Plant-Based Gabriel. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. And if you're questioning if you can do this on the stove top, you most certainly can. Use all the same recipe, just do it on the stove in a nice medium-sized pot or pan, and cook it on low to medium for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until those oats reach your preferred tenderness. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, hit the like button on Facebook at The Plant-Based Gabriel, or the subscribe button on YouTube. I am Plant-Based Gabriel with my easy Instant Pot Orange Dream Oatmeal, hoping I will see you very, very soon.